Guys, Akshay here. Today in this video, we're going to see about electric current and its effect. Class 7. Let's get started. What is electric current? The flow of charges through a circuit is called electric current. Current is equals to flow of charge as you see in diagram 1. Electric circuit. An electric circuit is a complete path for the flow of current. A circuit consists of an electrical cell, devices which use the electrical energy, and also it consists of a switch and connecting wires. These are called components of electric circuit. Types of electric circuit. Closed circuit. A circuit in which no breaks, it provides a closed path for the flow of current, and such circuit is called as closed circuit. Open circuit. A circuit in which a part is broken, current does not flow through it. Such circuit is called open circuit as shown in this diagram. Heating effect of electric current. Example, we see bulb heated up when the current was passed through it. When the current is passed through a conductor, it produces heat in the conductor, and this effect is called as heat effect of electric current. As you see in this diagram, when electric passes through a filament, it becomes hot and starts to glow. Due to the high melting point, it does not melt. Absence of oxygen keep it from catching fire. How does it occur? Electronic devices consist of coil that produces heat when current is passed through them. The heating element made up of metal alloy called nichrome. Nichrome wires have high resistance to electric current and can withstand high temperature. Due to this property, this is a good material for making heat elements. Picture shown is a nichrome wire. Electrical fuse. A fuse is a safety device made of a material with low melting point. It is used to protect the electrical circuit and devices in the circuit from the excess current passing through them. Picture shown is a fuse. Magnetic effect of electrical current. We would have studied about magnets and their properties such as attraction and repulsion. These properties are not only restricted to magnets. Electric current passing through a conductor can also show magnetic properties. Solenoid. A cylindrical shaped coil that exhibits magnetic properties similar to that of a bar magnet. When current is passed through it, it is called solenoid. The strength of magnetic field shown by a solenoid depends on amount of current flowing through it and the number of turns of this coil. Picture shown is a solenoid. Electromagnet. An electromagnet is a device that acts as a magnet when current flows through its coil. It consists of magnetic material such as soft iron piece and a coil of insulated copper wire tightly wound around it. The material which the wire is wound is called its core. It is a temporary magnet that loses magnetic power when the current through the circuit is withdrawn. The picture shown is an electromagnet. Applications of electromagnet. They are used in our daily purposes in industries. Some of them are in electric cranes to lift scrap iron, as armature of electrical motors, in CT and MRI scanning for medical purposes, in devices such as radio, TV, tape recorder, etc. Magnetic levitation trains, mechanical relay circuits, and electric bells. Electric bell. An electric bell is a device that works by means of an electromagnet. Now let's check the method. When the switch is pressed, the current flows through the coil of electromagnet. At this moment, it acts as a magnet and pulls the iron bar towards it. The hammer attached to the iron bar strikes the gong due to motion of the iron bar towards the electromagnet. As the iron bar moves towards the electromagnet, iron strip loses its contact from the screw. Hence, the circuit is broken and the current flowing through the coil is stopped. Due to this, the electromagnet loses its magnetic power and the iron bar attached to the spring moves back to its initial point. In this position, it becomes in contact with screw again, making the circuit closed. The hammer will hit the gong again. This breaking of circuit and continues till the switch kept pressed, and the hammer will repeatedly hit gong, making the ringing sound. This is the diagram of electric bell. Thank you for this video, guys. Hope you all like it. Make sure to visit our website. The link in description below. Thank you.